Do you want to learn how to find and scrape leads on Apollo.io? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So in order to scrape leads on Apollo.io, we're going to be using this tool called Scrup. Scrup is the best LinkedIn and Apollo scraper that I've found so far. It helps you to scrape not only LinkedIn normal leads, but it also helps you to scrape Sales Navigator. It gives you clean data and you can find personal verified emails and phone numbers using this tool. You can scrape up to 2,500 leads in one go with Scrup. Now, in terms of pricing, it's a much better alternative to the other tools out there like Phantom Buster and such. And it also has lifetime credits. So let's go over to their pricing. So in monthly, they have just one plan with $59 per month and it's 5,000 credits monthly. And you can click on this drop down to select other options. With lifetime credits, I think this is a much better option compared to getting monthly plans. You can just get lifetime credits like this. Buy it with credit, or you can also pay it with crypto, which I'm not seeing on other LinkedIn or Apollo scrapers. They don't have an option to pay with crypto. But if you want, you can pay it with crypto here. Now they also have an API. If you want to integrate this with an app, you can do that. They have an API. And now these are some of the features of Scrup. Now if you're ready to sign up on Scrup and get started with this tool, there's a link in the description so you can click on it and it's going to help me out, may give me a small commission if you sign up and get a plan from here. Now let's log in, or you can start for free. You will get around 100 credits for free. Now, once you're logged in, you'll be taken to this page inside the dashboard. Now, in order to use this tool, you need the Chrome extension, which comes with Scrup, which is available on Chrome extension store. It's available here on Chrome Web Store. Scrup, you can add it to Chrome. And once it's added, you can see it in this puzzle icon. Click on it and you will see Scrup added here. You can click on this pin icon to pin it on this bar. Now go over to Apollo.io, sign up for free. I have also a link in the description so you can sign up for free from that link. Now go to Apollo.io and sign up for free. If you already have an account, then you log in. I have a link in the description. If you go to that link and purchase a pricing plan, I may get a small commission in that way as well. Now click on login, go to the Apollo.io dashboard, and inside the dashboard, you can either go for people or companies. If you go for people, in the people on the right side, search for people here. You can just do the same thing that you do on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Like you have these options, the filters on the left, select the number of employees you need, location, maybe let's go for United States, a job title. Now let's say we search for project manager and we click on this. There's also advanced here. Now once done, you'll find the list of people on the right. Now in order to use Scrup to scrape these list of people, we will use this button over here because we have already added Chrome extension, Scrup Chrome extension, and that's why we see this button on the top right. Click on this, Scrup export. And now you have an option here which says source link. It's already included that link to that source, and you can scrape up to 2,500 items at one go. So we'll just put the 2,500 here. You have an option of advanced options. Click on this. You can select an account from here, name the list, name a list here. If you have a folder, you can select it from here, existing list. If you have an existing list that you want this leads scraped into, you can do that. I will just make a new list here. If you want to get scraped data with verified emails only, you can select this. If you want to export list to CSV after scraping, you can select this. Let's just go with only verified emails because we want emails. And here it says scrape data with emails. Let's click on this. And let's see what it scrapes for us. So our scraping is done with Scrup and it has found 1,838 results. And out of that, it has found 908 emails. Now here you can see the LinkedIn profile, so you can go to each of them. And on the right side, you will find the company they're working in and the role they are in. Now on the top, you will have this option which says export to file. You can export the data as a CSV or an XLSX file. with data. So let's click on this as an example, and then you can choose the contact columns. Like, what do you need? What type of data do you need in the CSV file? For example, I'll keep all of them and all of this, and I'll select only with emails and valid only and start export. Now here we have this button which says download file with items. Click on this and it's going to download that CSV file to your computer. Now we also have more options here. So you can go to the right, click on more. You can edit it, filter results and such. You can also continue scraping from here. Now the downloaded file, if you want to view it, let's go to sheet.new to open up a new sheet on Google Sheets. And on here, let's click on this file and import. Now let's upload the file that we got from Scrup. Now it says import file. This is the file that we got from Scrup, and it says import location. Let's keep it at replace spreadsheet and this, and let's click on import data. Now, as you can see on the screen, we have got the spreadsheet with first name, last name, full name, LinkedIn, open, premium, open to work, and a lot more. We also got personal email, number of connections. So you can see the power of this tool. Like, there's so many different data points that it scraped for us with the help of Scrup. You can also see the company domain, company link. And if you scroll to the right by clicking on the scroll bar on the bottom, you can find company about, company founded, and so much more. And now if you scroll more to the right, you will see company phone number. So this is also great. If you want phone numbers, you can also get them with the help of Scrup. Now, just like that, we scroll more to the right and we see social fields. So you can find the Twitter or Facebook details of the companies they're working in and such. Now, if you scroll more to the right, you'll find more details like this. Now let's scroll to the left. You can see the LinkedIn profiles for each of them. And this is the email field and personal email. And if we scroll down, because it has got all of the 1,696 results, that's why those 908 results are here. In the email field, if you scroll down, you'll find all of the emails that we have scraped with the help of Scrup. So you got these emails here and they are all verified. So you do not need an email verifier in order to verify these emails. But it's best to use an email verification tool still. And I would put the link in the description for you to get the best one for yourself to verify these emails, to just be safe so that your emails that you have worked so hard on, they do not get into spam and such. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can scrape Apollo leads using this tool called Scrup. In my opinion, I think this is the best tool to scrape leads from LinkedIn or Apollo. And if you look at their pricing again, they have lifetime credits. I think this is the best option. You could just get lifetime credits based on the number of credits you need per month. Like, let's say, for example, I need to scrape 2,000 emails. You can get 2,000 credits and such. Now, this one has no time limit. For example, if you get a monthly plan, you will need to pay it monthly. And if you have not used it in the previous month, that is the problem. So it's best to get lifetime credits. And you can also pay with crypto, which is great. Now in common FAQ questions, you can find your questions to your basic issues, like how many leads can I extract? There is no limit in Scrup. We could recommend extract up to 10,000 leads a day. And does Scrup work with basic LinkedIn? It does work with basic LinkedIn, but it has a limit of like 1,000 leads per day. So if you want to use like LinkedIn scraping, if you want to use this tool for LinkedIn scraping, it's advised that you get LinkedIn Sales Navigator for your account. And currently they're offering Sales Navigator at a 75% discount. So you can get it for 1 month at $50. So yes, that is it. This is how you can scrape leads from LinkedIn or Apollo with the help of Scrup. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.